Welcome! And of course we're doing an unboxing video today. But not of me, of the Steelcase Leap chair with the headrests and the 4-way adjustable armrests. So in addition to doing the unboxing today, 1 month review as well. So unboxing and 1 month review of the Steelcase Leap chair. So let's get to it. And I'm actually a little surprised how big this box is. I guess it comes fully assembled, perhaps. I've been thinking of how to unbox this, and I do not want to lift the chair out of the box over my head. That kind of defeats the purpose of buying the chair because of having back pain from sitting down all day. So I think I'm going to put this over on its side because I still want to keep the box intact just in case I need to return it for any reason. So I have two choices. Obviously, I can remove from this end or that end. I'm assuming it's sitting in the box with the feet on the floor here. So I'm going to choose this end. So for two reasons. It's going to be heavier at the bottom, and the feet is going to allow me to grab onto something and pull it out of the box. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay this down on its end and have the bottom point out this way so I have room to take the chair out. Okay, so yes, this is the bottom of the chair. See if I can get this box out. Okay, you can see the wheels. All right. Alright, so that way we'll have to come back on. Let me get that. Alright. So yes, it does appear fully assembled. There's the chair out of the box. That's sides here. So the bottom part is going to be the heaviest, so I'm going to try lifting that. Get the headrest out of there. Alright. Not too bad. Certainly a lot better on my back than pulling it out of the box from the top. So let's get this plastic off so we can get a good look at it.
much later.
Okay, so I've had this chair for a few weeks now, and it's been a much needed improvement over my old chair here, which was so bad that I needed to have a pillow for some extra back support. But before I get into the full review of what I learned about this chair over the last month or so, let me show you what the options I got during purchase on Steelcase website here. Here we are at the Steelcase store. We're looking at the Steelcase Leap. Scrolling down, the first option I changed is the color. I chose black. Then scrolling further, we get the base color and the arms here. I leave this at the default with the 4-way adjustable arms. Then I add the headrest option, and I leave the wheels for carpet. This brings the total to $1,015. If you take the headrest option off and you change the 4-way adjustable arms to height adjustable only, that brings the price down to $827. Okay, so I got the 4-way armrest here. So I'll start with that. There's so many options to adjust the armrest. You can make it go in. You can do it at an angle. You can slide it in and out. You can go up and down. So many options, but really the only one that I ever used was the up and down adjustment. So I would say you could probably save, what is it, the $62 and just get the height adjustable only armrests. I honestly, it's no difference to me. In fact, when I go to stand up, occasionally I will use the armrests for some support, but if I push off of it, it can push the settings, so like the armrest will move. I imagine if I only had the height adjusted one, it wouldn't do that. So actually, that's kind of a negative. And also, if I had to say one other thing, the headrest, it is nice, but I don't know if it's $159 nice. It does go up and down. But I mean, there's not too much. You probably will go at the full length if you're like me. I'm 6 feet tall, to give you a reference. So there's no forward. You can't make it go forward or back. And to be honest, I usually don't even have my head touching. I have my shoulders back. I'm typing. My head's not going to touch the headrest unless I actually lean back, which I don't do that often. But it's nice to have on occasion. But the real reason why I got this chair was the back support. So let me get into that. So that you have many options. You can adjust. The first thing I wanted to adjust was this. So this is for the lumbar support. So you can adjust this, go up and down. Initially it was set to the lowest setting, which was hitting my back right at the base of my back, which is not where I want, because that's where I usually have pain. So instead I raised that to be a little bit higher on my back, so I still get the support for the lower back, so it can stay straight. So that's very nice. Also, you can adjust the tension for going back. So right now I have it kind of in the middle. You can have it be really stiff so it doesn't move, and then you can have it be very loose so it can go back real easily, and you can change how far it goes back. The other, obviously the height of the chair is, I adjusted that as well, so my feet are flat on the floor when I'm sitting here. All chairs basically have that. Even this cheap office chair here has that. But another thing it does have is the seat depth. So right now I have on the maximum extension, because again, being 6 feet tall, having slightly longer legs, I have plenty of room to spare here with the seat and my calves. So that's something to note. If you're much taller, you might want to get the plus size, because I, like, 6 feet tall, I have plenty of space here with my legs. So if you were like 6'4" or something, you might want to get the larger chair. Also, going back to the armrest, the cushion here, it's not the softest cushion, but there is definitely a cushion here, and I typically like to have the armrest a little lower anyway, so my shoulder can kind of just hang naturally, as opposed to being up high, which can kind of give you shoulder or neck pain. So my elbows don't touch the armrest anyway. But like this cheap chair here, this was a solid plastic piece which was non-adjustable and hurt my elbows every day. So that's a much needed upgrade there. But yeah, overall, like, my back feels better sitting in this chair versus my old chair. Obviously it's not a miracle worker. You still need to get up and move and stretch. We weren't designed to sit all day in a chair. But yeah, it's a fantastic chair. I got all the options, and it came to $1,000. Maybe you could knock off a couple $100 if you don't want to get the headrest or the 4-way adjustable armrest, so slightly less expensive. But yeah, I would say definitely worth the price. I decided I finally had to pull the trigger because I'm working at home all the time now, which I didn't before. So I needed a much more comfortable chair than I had previously. And yeah, I'm happy with the purchase, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to see future videos. Take care.
How are you two making those noises?
Oh, that's easy. All you need is a bot.
Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the Steelcase Leap chair. So, oh god. Oh, this is ridiculous. Alright, let's try that one more time. One month review as well. So, unboxing and 1 month review of the Steelcase Leap chair. So let's get to it. And I gotta figure out how to get out of this box.